Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin' Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're camping at Wing Mountain near Flagstaff, Arizona. Now there is a tent behind me, but we are still going to be cooking in the Cookin' Camper. Today we are making some bacon bomb burgers in the middle of this beautiful forest. Let's get started. Now for this recipe, you need some buns. We are using sesame seed buns, some panko breadcrumbs, some bacon. I previously cooked this at home and had this in the refrigerator. 1 pound of ground beef, and we are using cheddar and gouda cheese today, 2 eggs, and then some onion powder. So first we're going to measure out some of our panko breadcrumbs, and then into that we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and we can stir that up, and then you can drop that on the ground beef. Next we're going to take our bacon, and you are just going to crumble it up as small as you'd like right onto the ground beef. Now I did wash my hands before we started. Now for this recipe, I am going to be making 4 burgers, so I am using 8 slices of bacon. Now the final ingredient in the actual burger is 2 eggs. So you can just crack those right on top. And then you'll just get in there with your hands and mix it right up. Now you're just gonna split up your patty mixture into 4 chunks. And now we are just gonna turn on our skillet to about a medium high and saute these up. Now after a few minutes, you can flip them over. Now I do think a secret to cooking hamburger patties fast in a camper is by putting the lid on your pan. It traps in all that heat. And then I also like to squish my burgers down so that they get nice and thin. That will also help them cook faster. And while our burgers finish up, we can just cut open our sesame seed buns. So I cooked these burgers for about 5 minutes on each side just to make sure that there was totally no pink at all. And now I'm going to top each one of them with a slice of Gouda cheese and a slice of cheddar cheese. And at this stage, you can turn off your cooktop so that you do not keep using up your power source. And then you can just put the lid on and let the cheese melt. So now that the cheese is melted, you can just slide them right onto your buns. And then as a little added extra on my 2 burgers, I'm going to be adding a little bit of diced red onion, which is extremely delicious. And those are the finished bacon bomb burgers. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it or want to try this recipe, make sure to give us a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Thank you very much. We hope you can enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Time to dig in.